Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into CallHub for property follow-up sequences easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the CallHub website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the login option, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a new page prompting you for your credentials. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password into the password field. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Once you have entered your email and password, click on the Login button to access your account. After a successful login, you will be directed to the CallHub dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Sequences tab on the side menu. Click on the Sequences tab to view your property follow-up options. Here, you can create or select existing follow-up sequences for your properties. To create a new sequence, click on the Create Sequence button. Fill in the required fields, including sequence name and description. Customize your follow-up settings as per your needs. Once done, click on the Save button to save your sequence. Your newly created sequence will now appear in the list. To edit an existing sequence, click on its name. Make any necessary adjustments and remember to save your changes. To delete a sequence, locate the Delete option next to the sequence name. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Congratulations, you are now ready to use CallHub for your property follow-up sequences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.